The 4 things you must do to break any addiction. Number 4, you must deal with your conditioned response. Let me explain. There's a thing called Pavlov's conditioned theory. And what Pavlov did is he took a dog and he rang a bell. And when he rang the bell, he would feed the dog. He would give it his dinner. And he did this day after day after day, month after month. He would ring the bell and he would give the dog its dinner. So what happened? He created a conditioned response that whenever he rang the bell, the dog anticipated that it was going to eat. So the dog began to salivate at the prospect of the bell ringing. So eventually he could take the food away, still ring the bell, and the dog would come running, start salivating at the prospect of about to eat. It's the anticipation. Now, they went further than Pavlov's conditioned response. They did what's called the rat light experiment. So they were scientists and they took some rats and they had a light bulb and they would turn the light bulb on and they would give the rat an injection of dopamine. Dopamine, that's what we seek, right? When we use that dopamine-seeking person that we are. They would turn the light bulb on, they would give the rat an injection of dopamine, and the dopamine's level would spike because they measured it. They turn the light bulb on, they would give the rat an injection of dopamine, measure the dopamine levels, and they had a dopamine spike. They did this over a couple of weeks, over a few months. 3 months in, they were able to turn the light bulb on, not give the rat an injection of dopamine, measure the dopamine levels, and the rat still got a spike. It was the anticipation of the dopamine they were about to get. And this is what we experience when we ring our guy, ring our dealers, text our guy, and we're on our way to pick it up or it's being dropped off. It's the anticipation of the using that releases a level of dopamine. It's that race to get it. We're rushing to get it. It's that thrill, that excitement. I mean, one of the biggest thrills of using when you've used for a long time is the waiting to get it, the going to get it or waiting for it to be dropped off. So, number 4, in order to successfully stop, you've got to deal with your conditioned response.